Wow, where has the time flown? So last night my phone gave me a weather app notification, and they said that we were in for about 4 storms back to back, one each day through the rest of the week. But Monday, today, was supposed to be like the eye of the storm. It was supposed to be nice, it was supposed to be warm, and it will give me a chance to I get distracted because I have little hoverfly bees in my greenhouse, and they've just hatched. I don't know if I had them over winter in here or what, but they are on it, and if any kind of extra bug is in here, they've completely taken care of it. So, but they're hopping on my strawberry flowers, and he's working around on my flower. I don't know if I can move real slow so I don't scare him, and I can maybe get you to see. I don't know if you can see him. Whoop, there he is. He just took off. So anyway, oh, well, he's working over here now. Let me unhook the camera and maybe we can follow him a little bit here. Let's see, while I have the camera off, my strawberries are doing great. They are coming up with no problem. This one is just starting to get its buds. This one has really nice strawberries on it. And my hydro lettuce I never did get in the bucket, but that is a job for today. And I have those, let's see, what are these? My zinnias need to be potted up. And these are my, oh, lemon cosmos. Oh, I'm so excited for these lemon cosmos. So those are going to get potted on today. And of course the verbascum. The leeks are doing awesome. The sweet peas are beautiful sweet peas. I did pot up a bunch of bunching. I potted up, let's see here. So I have bunching onions that I did on the 28th. So they should start coming up here pretty soon. I don't see any, oh, nope. There's one right there. What the heck was that? I don't know what that was. Sounded like something hit the top of the greenhouse. So I'm keeping an eye on all this. Get that mosquito. We got mosquitoes in here. My bulb onions are all, well, most of them are sprouting. So those are going to go out next week, I think. I'll give them a week of warmth in here. These zinnias I got potted up over, when did I do it? Friday? In between rainstorms. I think I did it Thursday or Friday. I did it Thursday or Friday. I didn't film it because I was in a hurry. And the rest of these strawberries are in, and they're doing very well on too. But I'm going to swing around and you're going to have, my greenhouse needs to be cleaned. And I want to get my tomatoes in my hydroponic buckets by May 1st, so that's what I have to do. I have to get my old hydroponic buckets out, shake the leftover perlite out of them, rinse the perlite, and then I reuse it. About 2 years I get out of the perlite before I swap it. Oh, my gutter peas. My gutter peas are all coming up. They're doing good. What I have left is, these are the raised beds that we built a couple of weeks ago. I have not filled them yet because I do need to go get a couple of truckloads of soil so I can mix it up and put them in here. But it's so wet that it would just be compacted. So all that stuff has to be dug out. I need to get that blackberry bush pruned and put in there because it's just sitting in dirt. It's not actually fixed. Now today, if I have enough time, that far bed, the one that I put the coffee bags on, those are going to get pulled back today. The soil is warm, and I'm going to plant all my carrots and my parsnips, and then I'm going to take a row cover and cover them so the rain that we're supposed to get for the next 4 days doesn't beat it down into the ground and just destroy the seeds. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this mess up. This is the leftover wood that I had when I took this bed out. I'm going to pull the burlap back, and we're going to start planting some carrots. as you can see, from having the burlap on, we have a really nice, all the stuff that I had put down has disintegrated. There's only a few sticks and twigs but when you reach down in here, it is all just nice, crumbly soil. The leaves have decomposed, all the grass has decomposed. Off to go get my seeds. Tickle this over a little bit, loosen up the topsoil just a little bit, and plant my seeds. The sun is in my eyes. So anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some light potting soil and go over the tops of these drills so that they have something really easy to grow through and it won't crust over. And then I need to put my row cover over the top to keep the rain that's coming tonight from beating these seeds in, and we're planted. So this job's done. I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to go off and do another job.